So I've come to the hidden valley today. Never been here before, just seen it on a map yesterday. I can't even read. Tregargus Valley, it says there. It also says there's been a large landslip. You are walking in here at your own risk, blah blah blah. So yeah, it could be a little bit sketch. But apparently there's a lot of ruins and stuff to look at. So I've just parked in a lay-by on this road. I will make sure I put the location in the description. So yeah, stick with me and we'll go and see what this is all about. So I can already hear running water. I'm not sure if it's the waterfall or just the river, but I think it's coming from down here. Let's have a look. Can't see anything. Well, there's a waterfall there. Let's go down here, let's have a look. Oh, orange water. So that will probably be something from the quarry. Well, I think it's more a land drain just spitting water out. Not that exciting. Plus I can't get to it. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see much here. And that's where the water's spitting, that's where the drain's spitting the water out. But then, up there, there's a big waterfall. I can't even see it on here. And then obviously the river runs clear here. I think you can go a little bit further down, hopefully you can see it better from there. But it is quite a whopper. So that, my first waterfall of the day, is a pretty good one. Strong start. So I'm just going to head further down the trail now, see what else I can find. So as soon as I've left that waterfall, I've got this look. So it looks like an old watermill maybe. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Head in here. Ow, my knee. I love this sort of stuff. So yeah, this is such a cool place to explore. These actually don't go that far back. I mean, you can get in them, but there's not a lot in there. It's just a small room, but always good to look in. So just after the watermill, I just took a left off the path and I've come down here and there's loads of rope swings. There is a stream. It's definitely not deep enough to fall into, but still, looks quite fun to use them rope swings. Quite dangerous probably. And it looks like people have gone from the other side, so it must be another way in. So the last rope swing might not have looked that tempting, but this one definitely does. It's up on the high ground, so it shouldn't hit anything. and it looks quite strong, so we'll have a go. Oh, it's actually a lot of fun. It's the best rope swing I've been on in ages, and I do like my rope swings. So I've absolutely no idea what this is for, but it's pretty cool again. Have a look what's up this end. If it is anything. Oh, I tripped up, imagine that. Taking the plunge off the side. It wouldn't be funny, would it? It wouldn't, it'd hurt. Oh. I don't know what that is, but it's all collapsed, whatever it is. And there's loads of flies around here. So I don't know if you can see it, but there is an old building down there. But before that, there's this path on the left, look. And it sounds like it goes to the water. So I want to go down here, see what I can see down here, and then head back up to there. And I've seen what I want to see. So I knew this was going to be a good walk and quite exciting, and I'd find loads, but I never expected anything like this. It's just the scale of it. There's loads here. Like I think that I've seen the majority of what I've come for, and then something else shows up, and I don't know, I just love it. And other than a few dog walkers on the actual trail, I've not seen anyone at these places. So yeah, you can just explore in your own time, not worry about anyone else. And I don't know how old this building is, but I know it's got no roof on it, but other than that, how well is it built? Like, the walls still look solid. Yeah, like I say, it could have been built only 50 years ago, and I'm singing its praises. I mean, that brick arch looks newer, doesn't it? But I don't know, it might not be. Anyway, I'm going to shoot down here, see what this throws up.